Do you know that you can be paid online by just answering questions? Yes, you can be paid. Hi, my name is Cole Moses Wamkota. I do post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading, you will be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So we are going to talk about websites that can pay you by just answering questions online. And the first one on our list is called liveperson.com. This is where you get to answer questions via chat. What you need here is to set your PC and an internet connection, and you are ready to go. And the best part with this website is that you don't need to be on camera the way I'm here on camera. What you need to do here is just you will be answering questions via chats. And the payment rate here depends on the complexity of the questions and the level of expertise. There's also a next website that I personally love using, and this website pays you by answering questions and sharing knowledge. This is a platform where expertise can earn money by answering questions posted by users on this platform. And the website name is called justanswer.com. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in justanswer.com. Then sign up to this website, then start taking questions here and be paid. You can end up earning up to $2,000 per month on this website. And the requirement here is that you need to have a PC and a reliable internet connection. Now let me give you a tip. Nowadays things are very much easy because you can answer these questions using free AI such as Google Gemini and ChatGPT. Now the next website is where you can provide text-based answers to users, and you can make about 10 cents on your answers and any approved answers. And you will be making an additional of 5 cents. And the best part with this website is that you can answer questions that takes only few seconds to finish up. And on this website they have trivia-like quizzes. So what you need to do is that you can head on quickly on this search engine called Google. Then type in this website. The name of the website is called kgb.com. Then apply to this website and then completely finish their training and then start taking these quizzes as fast as possible. The best thing with this website is that the more time you spend on this website, the more money you make on this website. So my lovely friends, if you want to waste some little time on social media, please consider this website by answering questions, and this website will be paying you. Now the payment method here is via PayPal. Now on this website, you will be able to answer questions about product services, and you will be earning points which you will later redeem them to cash. So to get started, you need to create an account with this website. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in this website, and the website name is called fixia.com. So after you have signed up on this fixia.com, you can start taking questions on this website. And once you complete these questions, you will be paid on this website. Now the next website that will give you money to respond to questions is called schoolsolver.com. This is where you can answer academic-based questions. And this is #1 site in the world for online tutoring since 2014. Now this is an excellent way to earn by doing assignments, and you will be earning from $300 to $500 per question. And the payment method here is via PayPal. And the questions here are pretty simple. You can just go on and then search these questions and then answer these questions on this website. So my lovely friends, the requirement here is that you need to have a reliable internet speed and a little bit of your time, then you are good to go. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in this website. The website name is called schoolsolver.com. Then finish that registration process, which only takes 2 minutes, and then you are good to go to start making money on this website. There's also another website that pays you by just answering questions. And this website pays you by helping students in mathematics and sciences. So my lovely friends, if you love subjects such as mathematics and science, I hope this is the best platform for you to start making money online. Now the website name is called expertphotostudy.com, and they pay via PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one and then start making money on this website. Now there's also a website that I personally love doing when I'm not on YouTube. Now I spend most of time on this website, and the website name is called ansari.com. This is where you provide answers to questions that are posted daily on this website. You will be paid for each answers you provide, and the best part with this website is that it has a high volume of questions. So it is up to you to answer all questions and be paid. So it depends on how much time you are going to dedicate on this website to earn a good amount of money on this website. And the best part with ansari.com is that you don't have to register with money. The registration here is free. What you need to do here is that if you have a smartphone and a reliable internet connection, then you are good to go. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google, then type in ansari.com, and then start taking questions on this website. Then you are good to go. Now the next website is called directly.com. You can answer questions on companies that you have known for some times, and they pay via PayPal. But again, on this digital era, making money here is very easy. You can use free AI such as ChatGPT to help you to answer these questions concerning these companies. So what you need to do is that you can head on to Google and then type in directly.com. Then sign up, then finish sign up process. Once you have finished sign up process, you can start making money on this website. So my lovely friends, if you are finding some value, go on and then subscribe to this channel, please. And also make sure to like this video. So we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Until the next time, God bless you. Bye.